everyone, we're Shavalo and Monique, and welcome back to our channel.
Now today, we're diving into how to secure a deal at Walmart Open Call. So whether you're a startup or an established food brand, Walmart Open Call could be your big break to get on the shelves of one of the largest retailers in the world. So let's jump right into it.
First of all, what exactly is Walmart Open Call? It's an annual opportunity where suppliers from all over pitch their products directly to Walmart buyers, to the actual decision makers. It's a chance to get your product on Walmart shelves across the country and reach millions of customers.
Now, it's absolutely free to attend Walmart Open Call. However, there are two requirements.
The first is your food product must be packaged, finished, and ready to go on the shelves. And two, your food product must be made in the USA.
Now, we know firsthand how Walmart Open Call can change people's lives because it changed ours.
So here's how to get a meeting at Walmart Open Call and how to get a deal with a buyer.
Step 1, create a Range Me profile.
RangeMe is the online platform that handles the registration process for Walmart Open Call. Make sure you have at least a free RangeMe profile created so that you can apply for Walmart Open Call.
So step 2, you have to apply to get a meeting with the category buyer at Walmart Open Call.
Once the application goes live, you got to fill out the application as soon as possible. Although the open call application stays open for some time, there are limited meeting times allocated for each particular category, okay?
Right.
Besides several food categories like frozen, grocery, condiments, meat departments, etc., Walmart Open Call is also for brands in other store categories like apparel, lawn and garden, automotive, shoes, etc. So there are only a certain amount of meetings that can be scheduled for each category. So it's best to apply early before your category gets filled up.
Now, step number 3, make sure your food product is ready for Walmart shelves.
Your product needs to be retail ready from day one, okay? This means professional packaging that stands out on the shelf. You must have competitive pricing that reflects the value of your product. And your product must meet Walmart's quality standards. Remember, first impressions matter, guys.
That's right.
You don't have to have a warehouse full of your packaged food product in order to be granted a meeting at Walmart Open Call. But you do have to have at least a finished packaged product in hand, as well as a way to produce it on a large scale once you get a deal, okay?
That's right. So step 4, you'll want to have your brand story prepared.
Before you even think about attending the Walmart Open Call, you'll need to have your own unique brand story created,
That's
okay?
right.
Walmart is big on stories that resonate with their values and their customers. Your brand story should answer questions like, how did you get started? What made you initially create your dish or your drink, okay? Why do you want to bring your product to market? What problem does your product solve? That's a big one.
That's right.
What makes it unique, okay? And why would Walmart's customers love it?
Now, here's a short video from the first time we attended Walmart Open Call. Now, we not only pitched our Charleston Gourmet Burger marinade and sauce, we made sure to mention our brand story during our meeting.
Here's what happened, guys.
Please welcome Executive Vice President Food, Walmart US, Steve Bratzis.
Good morning. I'm going to grab some products so we can get started here. How's everybody doing? Good morning so far. So I want to talk about Open Call yesterday and a couple of the great meetings I sat in, the things I was able to see, and 2 products I want to talk about which were set up perfectly by Greg and by Charles earlier. So the first is Charleston Gourmet Burger Company burger sauce and marinades. So Greg, your case for marinades, we've got a great new product that's focused on burgers. And the reason I want to talk to you about this for a minute is 2 things. One, it's a great way to work with Walmart, and two, the story behind this company. So I had the opportunity yesterday to sit down with Chevalo and Monique Wilson DiBriano. I don't know if you guys are here or not. I can't see you if you are, but yell out if you're here. A really great story. Monique has a background in retail, and Chevalo is a highly decorated paramedic, part of EMS in New York City. He was a 9/11 first responder, and his story is still memorialized at the World Trade Center today of all his heroics and what he was able to do that day. But Monique told me a very moving story yesterday when, during 9/11, she couldn't get a hold of Chevalo. Nobody could communicate with anybody, phones were down, everybody knows. Finally, she got him on the phone, and she told him two things. She said, one, we're getting married, and two, we're getting out of New York City. So they did. They ended in Charleston, South Carolina, and through a lot of cooking and family events, they started the Charleston Gourmet Burger Company and have a great line of products that are now going to be available on Walmart shelves. And it's an example of a different way of working with Walmart. We've talked a lot about the scale of Walmart, what we can do, how big we are, but not all companies are ready to serve 4,500 Walmart stores or 500 Sam's Clubs. So we're going to start them in a couple DCs in the Southeast where they're really strong. They're going to learn the Walmart system. Our customers are going to get more familiar with their product, and then we're going to look to expand them over time. So it's just one of those things as you're sitting out there thinking about Walmart, and I want to do business with Walmart, but it's a little intimidating. It's so big. You don't have to serve every store. We are very, very big on store of the community. We want to be local and locally relevant and focused on our customers in each market. So there's different ways to serve Walmart. You don't have to serve all stores in one.
Hope you enjoyed that quick video and you see the importance of having a good brand story. Not a made up brand story, your story, okay?
That's
so
right.
You want to be able to tell your story effectively and be memorable at this meeting, okay?
Absolutely. So step 5, craft your pitch deck.
Your pitch deck is your chance to make a lasting impression, okay? Keep it concise yet compelling. Use high quality visuals to showcase your product's features, benefits, and market potential, including data points, okay, testimonials, and any unique selling points that differentiate your product.
Now, step 6, you got to include a capability statement and a pricing sheet.
Right. Don't forget your capability statement, okay? This document highlights your team's expertise, production capabilities, and any certifications your food manufacturer has earned. It builds credibility and reassures Walmart that you're capable of meeting their demands. Your pricing sheet should be transparent, competitive, and aligned with Walmart's pricing strategy.
Absolutely. Now, step number 7, you got to just start small.
Yes. Ask for a regional deal first, okay? If the Walmart buyer is interested in your product, they're going to ask you, if we bring your product on board, how many Walmart stores would you like to start with? Resist the temptation to say all of them. Don't do it, okay? One common mistake suppliers make is aiming for a national deal right out of the gate.
Now, Walmart often advises new suppliers to start with a local or a regional deal. This allows you to test the waters, understand Walmart's systems, and then prove your product's market appeal before scaling up nationally.
By the way, due to the number of Walmart stores in each region, an initial regional deal can be very lucrative for your brand, okay? So that's a pretty good deal.
Absolutely. So listen, by following these steps, like preparing your brand story, starting small with a regional deal, ensuring your product is retail ready, crafting a compelling pitch deck, and including a capability statement and pricing sheet, listen, you'll be well prepared to navigate the next Walmart Open Call event.
Remember, it's not just about pitching your product, it's about presenting a complete package that aligns with Walmart's values and meets their customers' needs, okay?
So, whether you're offering a new, innovative food product or your own tasty twist on a classic food dish or drink, Walmart Open Call could be your chance to shine and to become the next big thing on the shelves.
If you found found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to get your food product on grocery store shelves. And leave a comment if you have any questions, guys. Thanks for watching and best of luck at the next Walmart open call.